Hello guys, I have another journal with me video to share today, and I'm starting out this page with some beautiful printables from a shop called MollysMantel on Etsy. I'll link it down below, but these are called Washi Trims, and they are basically some vintage trims that you can use like strips of washi tape. Just cut them and glue them down in your journal, and they have a really beautiful fabric looking texture to them. And I picked this beautiful blue one and I used it on this side loading pocket that was already on the page that I'm journaling in today. In today's video, I'm also using the new Journal With Me kit. This is the September kit that I'm showing you here, and in case you don't know what that is yet, it is a kit that I release every month, and it comes as a digital download, so you can download it and print it out at home or at a print shop. And yeah, so there's a new kit every month and they're all a little bit different, but they are designed to make your journaling nice and easy and to hopefully give you some inspiration and to help make your journaling process really easy and really fun. So this piece from the kit is like a tear-off sheet. So this is inspired by the tear-off sheets that you see or used to see all the time on notice boards. So usually they would have like a phone number that you could tear off, but I created one that has journal prompts that you can tear off. So you could pin this up in your craft room and just tear off a prompt whenever you need one. But I decided to glue this down in my journal page and make sure to leave the prompts loose and already cut, so like slits in between each prompt, so that I can easily take one off and use it as I go along. I'm also using some of this background paper from the September kit, and I'm just trimming this down so that it's going to fit nicely on the right hand side. As always, there's also a little phrase or sentiment card that comes in the kit. So I took the sentiment card from this kit and I glued it down sideways on the page on the right there. Then I went ahead and I tore off one of the prompts from the little tear sheet, and I'm going to glue this down on the page and I'm going to respond to that. So the rest of the prompts that are still left on that tear sheet I will save for another time, and I can always come back to this page and tear them off as I go and stick them down on another page in my journal and respond to it. I am taking the other patterned paper from the kit here and I'm cutting it and gluing it down to fit on the opposite page. So I'm just covering up all of the plain craft paper at this point. I just wanted to use those beautiful patterns, and then I'm going to start building up on top of these. I used a strip of washi tape down the middle of the page just to help make sure that those pattern pages are stuck really well right in the middle there. And then I'm taking a photo of my daughter at the beach, and then I'm just sticking that down on the first page, so on the left there, and I used some double-sided tape to do that. And then in the kit you also get these really pretty photo corners, and I'm just sticking those down on each corner of the photo and adding a little label also from the kit underneath. With the envelope from the kit, I just tucked it into the pocket that's already on the page, and then inside the envelope I am going to tuck in this weekly plan prompted journal card, and I'm going to add a few things to that. So on the back of that I have two little 3x4 photos which fit really well on the back of that, so I'm just sticking them side by side. Those are pictures of some of my finished pottery pieces that I made in a pottery workshop. So I'm still waiting to get those back, really excited to see them. So I stuck those in the envelope so I could do some journaling about that, and I added that little butterfly card to write on top of. Now you see me just filling in all of my written journaling, and I also want to show you this new digital in my shop. It is just a really simple little prompt sheet with 50 different prompts typed out with a typewriter font, and you can just cut these out as little strips and glue them down on a page, or you can do what I did and you can print them on sticker paper, and then you can just cut them out and stick them down as you go along. And the idea is just to give you some really easy, thought-provoking prompts that you can use in your creative journaling to help get you writing. And then last of all, I'm just going through my stickers, and I just added a little sticker to the page. So this page was pretty simple to put together, but there's lots of little layers and little fold out bits, and I really like how it turned out. All of the pieces from the September kit to go together really well. I will link everything down below that I've mentioned in this video, and if you have any questions you can always leave them in the comments down below as well. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little journaling process video today. I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you soon in my next video.